Hello everyone. Well, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So the first one looks like someone is making a table here. Now I'm not quite sure what this is that she used on the bottom, but it looks like it has like the little like flex in there. Oh, wow. Very nice entryway table. Oh, that came out amazing and very cool. And I love her whole little like aesthetic. Oh, she moved it to a different room, or maybe she did two different tables here. What is the green stuff in the pot? I put rocks in my planter and my dog keeps eating them. Ooh. Oh, I love the way that they have the mirror set up with that pictures. So they used moss for this. And there's many different ways that you can actually do this. You can buy like this big bag of moss from like your local home decor store. I know they have them at Michael's and Hobby Lobby. I've seen them as well. This looks like she used some type of moss sheeting. But definitely quite a few different ways that you can play around with that particular project if you wanted to attempt to do it. But wow, look at that. Oh, those aren't paintings. Those are all mirrors. Wow. It was like reflecting off the top and it looked like a painting. That is so beautiful. Now this is a DIY that my husband actually wants to attempt. He's like, oh, we can make our own like pergola or whatever it's called. And I was like, this seems like a huge project to take on. Maybe you should hire someone, but this is beautiful. I love how they did the black. Actually, the way she did it looked pretty easy, but you know how like when you watch some DIYs, they make things look way easier than they actually are. But wow, that looks amazing. Very cool. And you can put up like curtains and just like really make it relaxing and serene. And we're watching movies in there. I love this idea. Whoa, a shell tissue box. Okay, this is definitely something different. I've actually been seeing a lot of shell-based DIYs. Is that because it's summer? I don't know. Or is that like starting to like trend a little bit? I think this would be a cute little project to place in your bathroom. It's a cute idea. Also, I think this would be a beginner-friendly project because you're just basically gluing shells to a box. Nothing too extensive or elaborate with this one. All right, so the next DIY involves some clay. Okay, so they're molding the clay here. Looks like they're making a vase. Oh, they made a bowl. Okay. So they did like that ruffle bowl look that's kind of trending right now. And they are going to paint it. cute. Wow, that came out great. I love the colors that they used for the florals. Very pretty. Oh, they probably made this table too, I bet. Emergency blanket wall art. Okay, this is something different. So the emergency blanket, we usually like keep it in like the car or something, or you use it like camping trip. It helps to keep you warm. And they pretty much framed it. Oh, wow. Okay, I want to see how this looks with the gold side. I mean, the silver looks nice, but you guys know I have like a major love affair with gold, so I'm curious to see how this would look in gold. I'm trying to picture it in my head. I'm like, okay. I think this is a cool idea. I love that idea. Definitely something different. I don't know what, I can't even pronounce that word. Jabandi? Is it supposed to be just like a vase? Okay, so moving on to the next one. This is some more wall art. Selective plates, hot glue gun. Oh, it looks like she's making like a mirror design for this one. Oh, these are plates? They look like mirrors. Wow, okay. Oh, okay. I already know I'm gonna like this. That's number one. Number two, this is such an easy project idea. Like you're just basically just gluing down the plates. Oh, wow, okay. And you know what? You can do a number of different things with this. You can make wall sconces, put some fairy lights on it. This is very inspiring. Wow. Very cool idea. Oh, I love it. Very nice. Definitely my aesthetic and style too. Lots of silver and grays. So you guys know how I love black and gold and white, right? I have it throughout my home as home decor, but in the bedroom, I have like a softer palette. I have the silver, the whites, the kind of a little bit of black, but it's more serene in the bedroom. So I like the silver and the white vibe. So this looks like someone might be making some kind of table here. Definitely a table. Okay, so then they got the paint going. Very nice. This could actually be like an ottoman too. If she put like the cushion on top and then did maybe like some shearing to make it soft. Very cute and simple table. Love it. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed all the DIY project ideas today and my reactions. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.